Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. If you are planning to buy a new tablet, tonight is probably the best time to grab one because both Flipkart Sasa Lele sale and Amazon Great Summer sale are going live at midnight. And trust me, some crazy discounts are expected on iPad, Samsung tablets, Xiaomi pads and OnePlus tablets. So in this video, I will quickly tell you which tablet to look for, which card discounts you should use and why you should buy right tablet when the sale starts tonight at 12 am. Let's begin. First, let's talk about Amazon Great Summer Sale. Amazon is giving extra instant discount with HDFC credit card. So if you have an HDFC credit card or debit card, you can save even more on already discounted prices. Now some expected hot deals on Amazon can be expected, like you can get discounts on iPad 11th generation. Also there will be discounts on Xiaomi Pad 8 series and there will be discounts on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, and also you can get discounts on OnePlus Pad Go 2, OnePlus Pad Lite and OnePlus Pad 3. Especially the iPad deals usually go out of stocks very fast, so if you are targeting an iPad, be ready before midnight. Now coming to Flipkart Sasa Lele sale, Flipkart is offering SBI bank card discount. So if you have an SBI credit card, you can get additional instant savings there too. Expected tablet deals on Flipkart will be on iPad 11th generation, Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, Realme Pad 2 Pro, Xiaomi Pad series, Lenovo tablets and OnePlus Pad 2 and OnePlus Pad 3, OnePlus Pad Go 2. I think there will be special discounts on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus. Many people have already bought Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus at a discounted price of 32 to 38,000 rupees. So if you get this kind of deal, instantly purchase the tablet at the earliest opportunity. Popular tablets can either go out of stock or price may increase later in the morning. So add your favorite tablet to your cart before they are gone out of stock. Save your address and payment details, keep your cards ready and refresh the app exactly at 12 am to get the best discounts on tablets. Now let me know in the comment sections below which tablet or iPad you are planning to buy in Flipkart Sasa Lele sale or Amazon Great Summer sale. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.